Good morning to all of you, BSc third year students of Fishery Science. Students, we have seen last period, that is methods of prawn fishing in marine water of India. Methods of prawn fishing in marine waters of India. Last period, we have seen the craft or the inland non-mechanized fishing crafts which is to be used to operate to capture, to catch the prawn from east coast and west coast. These fishing crafts we have seen, one is the catamaran, ancient, primitive and simplest type of boat or the craft, and second we have seen dugout canoes, that is Odam, Panchi or Thoni, which is to be used to capture the marine water prawns from east coast and west coast. Now today we have seen the remaining boats, craft which is to be employed, used to capture prawns and fishes from the east coast, west coast as well as from the inland waters, that is non-mechanized craft which is to be used to capture the prawns and fish. The important non-mechanized craft or the boat, that is the Masula boat. Masula is a inland as well as sea fishing crafts. Masula is a inland as well as sea fishing craft. It is also non-mechanized boats. Used to catch fishes and non-fish organisms from various water bodies such as rivers, tributaries, reservoirs, brackish waters, as well as it is also used in both coastal water, that is east coast and west coast of India, means all Indian region, not only the Indian waters, not only the inland waters or the fresh water, but this Masula is also used to capture, to catch the fishes or the aquatic animal, that may be fish or prawns, from the marine waters, that is west coast and east coast also. This boat is cheaply used to catch commercial fishes and other aquatic animals on large scale. Masula boat is cheaply used to catch commercial fishes and other aquatic animals on large scale. It is used for operation of various types of nets, various types of gears, various types of nets and various types of gears. It is used extensively on the Coromandel coast of India. It is on large scale. In which area? This boat, this raft, these are to be used, this raft or this boat, these are to be used to catch the fishes and prawns which is to be cultured, or those fishes, these are to be found, captured in seas, oceans. It is to be operated on different areas, but it is to be used for operation of various types of nets, gears, and it is used extensively on the Coromandel coast of India. This boat, these are to be on large scale used to capture, to catch the prawns and aquatic animals as a fish. It is made up of planks sewn artistically together with coir ropes. These are without ribs or frames. It is a non-rigid boat. Such boats are of great use in Coromandel coast. There are several variations in this type of boat, as well as differently named according to the region. This Masula boat, these are to be different names. In Andhra, it is called as Padwa or Padgam. In Andhra, this Masula boat is also called as Padwa or Padgam. Means Masula is a inland as well as sea fishing craft. It is also non-mechanized boats or craft to use to catch the fish as well as non-fish organisms as prawns. It is to be used from various water bodies such as rivers, tributaries, reservoirs, lakes, ponds. It is also used in brackish water. It is also used in west coast and east coast of India. These are to be cheaply used to capture the commercial fishes and aquatic animals on large scale. It is used to operate nets, gears, and these boats, these are to be on large scale operate used in Coromandel area, and it is to be made up of planks sewn artistically together with coir ropes. Coir rope, these are to be tied with coir rope, these are to be binding the planks sewn, and these are without ribs or frames. No frame, no ribs, these are to be present to these boats or raft. There are several variations of this type of boat. Several variations of this type of boat. In Andhra, this Masula boat is called as Padwa or Padga. Padwa or Padga. See, this is the Masula boat, non-rigid boat, non-framed boat, which is to be constructed by local fishermen. This is also a two boats. This is a Masula boat, which is to be constructed by planks sewn artistically, and these non-mechanized, these simple boat created by fishermen to catch the fishes and non-fish organisms or prawns from the inland water as well as from the fresh waters, as well as from sea water in east coast and west coast. This Masula boat, this is also a Masula. This Masula or Padwa or Padgam. These Padwa or Padgam, these are to be used to catch prawns, to catch fishes from east coast, as well as it is to be used on west coast. And this Padwa or this Masula boat, these are to be used to catch the prawns commercially on all the Indian waters. Second is called as outrigger canoes, or it is called as Rampani boat. It is famous boat. Rampani boat, very famous boat to use to capture the fishes, to capture the prawns from inland water as well as from the marine waters. Outrigger canoes or Rampani boat. Outrigger canoes is a non-mechanized craft. Outrigger canoes are used to catch commercial fishes from inland waters as well as from coastal water also. From inland water as well as coastal waters, this Rampani boat or this outrigger canoes, these are to be used. The outrigger canoes of the Kannada and Konkan coast. The outrigger canoes of the Kannada and Konkan coast are boats with a single outrigger canoes and are called as locally Rampani boats or the Rampani craft. It is provided with multiple booms varying with 3 to 12. These multiple booms are to be 3 to 12. These booms are slender poles secured at their inner ends. These are to be slender poles secured at their inner ends by being passed through the holes on the sides of dugout canoes close to the edge. This is similar to the design found in Australia. This outrigger canoes, Rampani boat, these are to be similar. The boat which is to be used and operate in Australia, and similar this boat, these are to be provided with multiple booms varying with from 3 to 12, and these booms are slender poles secured at their inner ends by being passed through the holes on the sides of dugout close to the edge. This is similar to the design found in Australia. The floats are connected to the booms by means of 3 short stanchions as flat booms and round booms. As these floats are connected to the booms by means of 3 short stanchions as a flat booms and round booms. They are regular built of canoes. The wooden planks being more spread out. The Rampani boats has usual size is around Rampani boat has usual size around 15 into 3 meter long, and the small size outrigger canoes is also used in various coast. Means two types of boats or two types of Rampani net. Large Rampani net which is 15 to 3 meter long, and small Rampani net is also used in various sections. This Rampani net or the outrigger canoes, these are to be operated, these are to be constructed. See, this is the Rampani boat or the outrigger canoes. This Rampani boat or the outrigger canoes used. See, this boat, these are to be similar to that of the boat which is to be used or found in Australian region, and this Rampani boat, this Rampani craft used, this is the paddles. With these paddles, this is the paddles. With these paddles, fishermen, this boat, these are to be used, or these boats, these are to be operated, these are to be operating in various ways, in various manners. These boats, these are to be seen, these are to be done, and these are the paddles. These paddles, these are to be operated, these paddles, these are to be used. Similarly in this also, this is the paddles, this is the paddles to operate, and this Rampani net, these are to be simple non-mechanized boats operate and used to capture the prawns, to capture the fishes from east coast, as well as capture the fishes from inland water. This Rampani net, it is also used to catch the prawns from commercial ways on east coast as well as the west coast. And this Rampani net or outrigger canoes, it is non-mechanized canoes used to catch commercial as well as inland fishes and non-fish organisms from the coastal waters. The outrigger canoes of the Kannada and Konkan coast are both with single outrigger and are called as locally Rampani boats or the Rampani craft. It is improved, or it is provided multiple booms varying 3 to 12, and these booms are slender poles secured with their inner ends by being passed through the holes on sides of dugout close to the edge. This is similar boat which is to be used, which is to be found in boats of the Australia, and these are to be floats are sanctioned connected by booms by means of 3 short sanctions as float booms and bottoms and round bottoms. They are regular built of canoes, wooden plank being more spread, and this Rampani net is two types, larger Rampani net and small Rampani net. Larger Rampani net is to be 3 into 15 meter long, and smaller is to be being less as compared to the larger Rampani net. With this Rampani net, prawns, these are to be caught, these are to be captured from the coastal waters, coastal regions in east coast as well as west coast of India. This Rampani net is also used to operate. It is a non-mechanized boats, especially it is indigenous boat constructed in Indian region and used to capture the prawns and fishes. Next is the Tuticorin boat. Tuticorin boat is also a indigenous craft used to catch the fishes, commercial fishes. It is also non-mechanized fishing craft of India. This Tuticorin boat is used on both east as well as west coast of India, as well as it is also used to catch the fishes and non-fish organisms from the inland waters, from the inland region. These boats, these craft, these are to be used, it is to be operated. That is Tuticorin boat. Tuticorin boat is also a indigenous craft, are used to catch the commercial fishes. It is also a non-mechanized fishing craft of India. It is used on both on east as well as west coast of Indian regions. This boat is also used in inshore waters of India. This boat is also used in inshore waters of India. These boats are also curved models with average size of 11 meters. It is also a curved boats model, and average size of this Tuticorin boat is to be 11 meter long. These boats are used as a mother ships and cargo boats. This Tuticorin boat is also called as a mother ships or the cargo boats. Then these cargo boats, mother ships, these are to be used to operate, to use prawns, to capture in east coast as well as west coast. It is also used to capture the fishes from the inland waters as well as fishes from the sea waters. And this Tuticorin boat, these are to be act as a cargo boats, or it is to be act as a mother ships. Means on this Tuticorin boat, on this cargo boats, we can use small types of boats, and it is to be used to capture the fishes, capture the prawns from the offshore waters, from the deep waters of the seas, deep waters of the ponds, deep waters of the reservoirs or the dams, where larger lake these are to be occur. To these deep area, to these deep water, these cargo boats or the mother ship, these are to be used and to operate to catch the prawns and fishes on both east coast as well as west coast, in fresh water as well as in inland water. This boat, these are to be used, these are to be operated to catch the prawns and fishes. Prawns and fishes. See, this is the cargo boat, or this is the Tuticorin boat. It is non-mechanized. Then it is the again these boats, these are the indigenous, and these non-mechanized craft, non-mechanized boats. On this, these are the cargo or the mother ships. These cargo or the mother ship Tuticorin boat, these are to be used, and these are to be constructed by plank built boats. With this plank built boat, the raft or the other cargo ships or the mother boats, these cargo boats or the mother ships, these are to be used to capture the fishes and prawns from the east coast as well as west coast. With this, various types of boats such as catamaran, such as dugout canoes, such as Masula boat, such as Rampani boats, or such as Tuticorin boat. Fishermen's these boats, these are to be used, operate to catch the prawns and fishes from inland waters as well as from the, that is, marine water. And with these craft and with these boats, fishermen can capture the prawns in culture conditions as well as in capture conditions with commercial way, with commercial manner. These boats, these are to be used, these are to be operated, and when these boats, these are to be operated, these boats, these are to be used to catching the prawns from inland waters or the prawns from the marine waters. We have seen that is Penaeus indicus and Penaeus monodon, these are to be cultured in east coast and west coast. In those areas, marine pens, those areas, recirculation system, these prawn, these are to be cultured, these are to be grown, these prawn, these are to be caught, captured with the help of these boats, that may be catamaran, that may be dugout canoes, that may be Masula boat, that may be Rampani boat, or that may be a Tuticorin boat. These boats, these are to be used and to capture the prawns, and these captured prawns, it can be tied in bundles, in 10 in one bundle, or sometime large bundle size 100 pieces in one bundle, and these bundles of 10 piece, bundles of 100 piece, these tied bundles of prawn, they can be transported by trucks, vehicles from one place to another place for destination required place, and then these prawn, these are to be used in fresh condition as a food, and wastage part of these prawn, these are to be converted into number of byproduct. With these craft, we can capture the prawns or the fishes from culture areas, culture ponds, culture east coast and west coast, and we can perform the activity, that is the prawn fishing by craft, prawn fishing by, that is the boats. These may be, specially we have seen, that is the non-mechanized boats, catamaran, dugout canoes, Masula boat, Rampani boats, and Tuticorin boat. With this non-mechanized craft, we can capture the prawn. With on these boats craft, then we can use the various types of nets, various types of gears. These nets, gears, to use to capture the cultured prawn. We have seen in next plate. Here we have only study, that is the craft. Only study the craft or the boats. These craft boat, these are to be used to capture the prawns from west coast and east coast. And on these boats, these craft, we can use various types of gears or nets. We have seen in next plate. Yes, any problem, please ask. Hope you understand. Please, any problem, ask. Thank you.